So far so good. We've put in a good kind of block for our pre-season. We've all kind of been working hard. Really exciting year to have new kind of coaching staff in, and then also a nice mix of kind of fresh faces, and of course the internationals back, which has created a really nice environment that's competitive, and then also just driving learning as well. So far so good. I think we're all just really itching to get going.
Obviously last year it was great to I suppose go and do the clean sweep, but the reality with the Interpros is it's really a different competition every year. You know, last year we'd none of our internationals, they were away with the World Cup. This year they're back, and you obviously have loads of new talent coming through every single year as well. So I wouldn't say pressure, but it's allowed us to build a really, really nice foundation.
Hopefully we can share our expertise with the young girls. We always grew up playing rugby together, and it's nice to see there's actually 3 young ones from Ballinasloe now playing, so it's nice to see when the clubs have their own players there, how much they get behind the team. So yeah, we're hoping to bring the young girls along with us and hopefully get the wins.
We've got a squad, a really young squad, a development, they're developing, lots of players from the NTS that are coming through that have put such a strong foot forward and are really showing up at training. But it's been really good. We've had Claire Bowles, Fiona and Sive come back in from the World Cup, and to have that experience coming in is it's really boosted the team and boosted our confidence.
By far this is my favourite kind of period of the rugby calendar. Wearing blue means absolutely everything to me, and yeah, we're just so excited to get out there, especially we want a big drive for that home game, and I know whenever we have that sea of blue in Donnybrook, it always really eggs us on.
Last year we lost really gnarly in the final, so I think we just need to keep building towards to get that win. We've been training really hard together as a group, and we've really bonded over the past few months, so I think if we put our best foot forward, we'll come out on the right side of the result.
Being a player, you really appreciate the, I suppose, perspective they have and bring into it. They've been in our spots last year, the year before, and we're so lucky then to have that on the coaching side. They understand what we go through day to day, from preparation to training to recovery after. So having that's really special, and it's obviously fantastic to still have them as a part of our squad.
We've got a lot of speed on our team this year, so we're looking to play some fast, exciting rugby, so that'll hopefully get us the wins, especially in our away games and home games.